here, and we're going to have family today in this place in my room. So I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button, comment down below who's your favorite character, and give it a huge thumbs up. Let's get on to the video. Let's go. Hello, I'm Disgust here. You're never gonna tell me what to do. Disgust, stop ruining the YouTube's live stream. Yeah, because that's so embarrassing. Yeah, Disgust, do not even do that. Yeah. Guys, you're not helping. Oh my god, the blue monster is right. Okay. That's it. Living room meeting. Oh no, not this again. You are so ridiculous. Now stop this madness or I'm going to throw dishes at you. Okay, bye! Guys, you're not helping the live stream! Oh, you should be quiet down! You're acting so ridiculous! Now stop the ruining the live stream! Because I don't know what to do! Because my throat hurts! Because I don't know what to do! You like that? You know what? Stop it! Whoever throws water bottles, please stop it now. And the white bear comes out. What is going on here? Oh, we're having a living room meeting, but everyone won't be quiet. My ear hurts. Guys, you're hurting Draffy's ears. Stop. It'll be super embarrassing and annoying. Stop ruining the live stream. Blah, 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 blah. Don't you blah, people. Yeah, do not even blah people at all. Everyone's hilarious. Stop ruining the live stream. Okay guys, we're back. It was just a skit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And give it a huge thumbs up. Smash the like button. And give it a huge thumbs up. Let's see you on the video. Bye guys.